My name is Daniel Okhanov. I'm in Set 2E, and today I'm going to be demoing Assignment 3 for my Web Development 2 class. So, as you can see here, I have my website. I'm hosting it on a Netlify server. I have a list of all the Pokemons. Um, I can display their details here. If I click on the Details button, um, they're all accessible through the pagination buttons. As you can see, the next buttons work, the previous buttons work. Um, I can display 5 at a time if I'd like, or 10 at a time, however many at a time. Um, it also highlights the current pages button. Unfortunately, I was not able to implement it to hide the previous button when I'm on the last page, but it sort of just grays out, I guess. Uh, but yeah, that is just about it. Here is my JavaScript code. My HTML code. But yeah, that's just about it. Thank you.